Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Chainlink link from Uphold to Gemini in 2025. If you're managing your crypto portfolio, transferring assets between exchanges like this can help you take advantage of better features or fees. Let's get started. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Gemini, and that you have some Chainlink tokens in your Uphold wallet. Also, verify your identity on both platforms if you haven't already, as this is crucial for security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Head over to your dashboard and locate your Chainlink balance. Click on the Withdraw or Send option next to your link holdings. This might be under a Crypto tab, depending on the updated interface. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to select Chainlink as the asset, then input your Gemini wallet address. To get this, log into Gemini, go to your wallet, and copy the link deposit address. Double-check it to prevent any errors. Step 3. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, as blockchain transactions can vary. Review the transaction summary, including any estimated fees and processing time, which could take a few minutes to an hour in 2025 due to potential network upgrades. Step 4. Confirm the withdrawal. You'll likely need to enter a two-factor authentication code for added security. Once confirmed, sit tight and monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan, since Chainlink uses the Ethereum network. After the transfer, log into Gemini to check if your Chainlink has arrived. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. Always keep an eye on market volatility and consider the timing of your transfers. There you have it. Withdrawing Chainlink from Uphold to Gemini doesn't have to be complicated. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there and happy trading.